Hello everybody, my name is Simon J and today I would like to present to you our Amiga range of machines. This one on view is our Amiga S vented machine with elevator and integrated metal detector plus roll feed assembly. The Amiga range of machines are a shredder extruder system and can process almost any form of scrap material: reels, slabbed, lumps, pipes, pieces and startup materials. The shredder size reduces the material before it is fed into the extruder and then repelletized. The model you will see here is an Amiga S vented with water pelletizing system, and we are running PE film scrap material. The material is being fed into the machine either via the elevator with integrated metal detector or via the roll feed unit. Optionally, a trim basket can also be fitted to the top of the shredder hood. As mentioned, the Amiga is a shredder-extruder combination. The shredder design is unique to PLASMAC. The slow-rotating shredder rotor generates virtually no heat and minimal dust, meaning it is not necessary to water cool the rotor or the transfer system. The screen is also a unique design to PLASMAC. The material, once size reduced, is then fed into the auger where it is transferred to the extruder. Again, no cooling water or compressed air is needed for this operation, and that is why the Amiga is a market-leading, energy-efficient machine. The Amigas all use what we call short screw technology. This short screw technology has a host of benefits which I would like to explain to you now. Firstly, short screw technology, or SST, means we apply very little shear to the material. The residence time in the barrel is reduced, and we typically run the materials being processed at 20 to 25% lower temperatures than you would on the extrusion line. This means the material has an absolute minimum of melt history being put into it, a minimum amount of shear, and therefore by default the absolute minimum amount of material degradation takes place. SST also means we can use smaller motors and gearboxes to turn the screw and process the material. We also need fewer heat zones. All of this means that the Amiga range of machines are without doubt the most economical machines on the market. This particular unit uses less than 40 kilowatts of energy to produce up to 150 kilos of material, meaning it produces more than 4.5 kilograms per kilowatt, or less than 0.22 kilowatts per kilogram, ensuring you get the quickest return on investment possible from such a machine. A short screw also means a very compact machine. The Amiga S has an extremely small footprint for such a line, meaning you free up valuable floor space for other operations. The integrated vacuum system allows printed materials or materials that are hygroscopic to be run without issue on the line. The double-stage venting system incorporates a condensing unit to condense the gases that are removed from the melt, a stainless steel vacuum pump, heat exchanger and water tank to collect the condensed volatiles for later disposal. When running offline scrap, PLASMAC recommends using a screen changer. Here you can see one of PLASMAC's manual screen changers. For this application, this simple but effective design ensures a high level of filtration is achieved. If required, a hydraulic or even a fully automatic backflushing screen changer can be installed. The pelletizing system is PLASMAC's ultra-compact HydroCool pelletizing system. The stainless steel cutting chamber is mounted on a linear rail for simple opening and closing. Two pumps are used, one to feed the collector or cutting chamber, and the other circulates water from the tank through a heat exchanger and back into the tank to maintain a constant water temperature. As it is a closed loop system, the only water used is through evaporation, which is negligible. A flow sensor with integrated thermocouple means the control system of the machine is able to sense that the correct flow of water is being sent to the cutting chamber, and should the inbuilt filters start to become blocked, it will warn the operator that they need cleaning. The thermocouple allows the water tank temperature to be displayed on the operator's HMI. A vertical centrifuge dries the pellets before they are conveyed to the cyclone via a Venturi blowing system. In summary, I present to you the Amiga S water-cooled pelletizing machine with elevator and integrated metal detector, a market-leading machine for energy efficiency that is compact, extremely versatile and produces near virgin quality pellets. Thank you.